Top 10 new updated features of Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 compared to previous Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Number 1. It is equipped with dual-band GPS. The Galaxy Watch 7 delivers superior location accuracy, especially in urban environments with signal interference. This is a significant improvement for outdoor activities and navigation. Number 2. The Galaxy Watch 7 boasts an upgraded bioactive sensor with triple the LEDs compared to its predecessor. This improvement significantly enhances the accuracy of heart rate, blood oxygen, and ECG measurements, providing more reliable health data. Number 3. The watch introduces AGE monitoring, a new health metric that tracks the accumulation of glycation end products in the body. This information can be useful for understanding long-term health trends. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is equipped with Exynos W1000 processor. The Galaxy Watch 7 delivers a 3 times faster performance compared to its predecessor. This translates to smoother app launches, quicker response times, and improved overall user experience. Number 5. The Galaxy Watch 7 integrates with Samsung's Find My Mobile service, allowing users to locate their lost or misplaced smartphone directly from their watch. Number 6. With a battery life of up to 80 hours, the Galaxy Watch 7 ensures prolonged usage without frequent recharging. The watch supports fast charging, delivering up to 10 hours of usage from just 30 minutes of charging. It also features power-saving modes to extend battery life during critical times. Number 7. The Galaxy Watch 7 offers more than 100 workout modes, including running, cycling, swimming, etc. It provides real-time feedback and detailed post-workout analysis, helping users improve their performance. The watch automatically detects workouts and tracks metrics like distance, pace, and calories burned. Lastly, introducing a new metric, the Energy Score offers a comprehensive overview of overall well-being by combining sleep activity and heart rate variability data. Users can track their energy levels and make informed decisions about their daily routines.